Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove a subdomain on cPanel as well as add-on domains. So let's get right into it. Now, this is very easy to do. You have an option to do this through cPanel itself. I'm using this support topic because I do not have access to cPanel, so this is pretty much my only choice. But yeah, let me explain to you guys how it's done. As you can see, the process is very simple. It takes only 3 steps. You just need to access your domains, manage them, and then delete the subdomain that you want. So what you need to do, log into cPanel, go to cPanel, go into the domain section, click on domains, and then go and select manage next to the domain that you want to delete. It's to the right of the domain. Just click the manage button and then select remove the domain, and then this will probably bring up a dialog box asking you to confirm. You just need to confirm it, and after you do, your domain is pretty much done. It's deleted, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Very simple. As I mentioned, this is needed, especially if you have any add-on domains. If you want to delete those add-ons from cPanel, you are going to need to delete those domains with this method. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.